there! Welcome to Kylie Chameleon Beauty channel. Tonight I just got through doing this look, and it is featuring the palette called Dragon Eye, and it is by What's Up Beauty, an indie brand. And look at this palette. Yes. So, if you like this look, please keep on watching. I've actually primed my eyelids, and I've also put on everything like foundation, lipstick, everything. I just wanted to just do an eye look today. And the first thing I want to do very first thing, I'm not really going to use this whole entire palette, but it's going to be my favorite Patrick Ta Major Dimensions 3 matte eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to use this right here, just this is the white one. What was that one? Gosh. Impressive. You know, the more I do these tutorials, I kind of wish that the most eyeshadow palettes that I've used, I wish that they would put their names in the front. I mean, this is amazing because it's got their names already. And this is so convenient because in the back, these are hard to read. But anyway, I'm going to start off with, on my crease, let's see what we can do. I'm going to start off with Creature, this one right here, as my transition. And I do apologize if I don't sound right. It's because I've been feeling kind of sick today. I'm actually glad that I got a day off because I have been so tired all day. And, yeah, I just been like, well, I didn't really get enough, rest because whenever you get a day off, a lot of times, you have to play catch up. So I'm just really glad that I'm able to film today. And so already this palette is so beautifully pigmented. I mean, it's like smooth. I mean, wow, this is, man, I love this already. I also bought other palettes from this brand, and because it came in like a bundle, and I actually got a discount off of that, out of this thing. Well, I got it like during Valentine's week, but I just never had a chance to use it. So I'm actually so glad I purchased this because wow. Alright, so the next one, I'm going to use this right here. It's called Breath. And I'm also going to use this on my crease. I'm just going to darken up the crease area right here, and I'm going to blend up just a little bit. Okay. Wow, this is so gorgeous. I love purchasing indie brand makeup. It's like, anything indie brand. If you guys know of any indie brand eyeshadow palettes, any suggestions, just let me know in the comments down below because I would really love to try them out. Alright, so my outer V, I wanted to try out maybe this one, Smoke. It's called Smoke. That's beautiful. So let me see. Well, you know what? I'm gonna try it out and see what it looks like if I swatch it. Wow, that's Smoke right there. That's beautiful. Alright, I might just use this one too. I've been a big fan of it lately. And of course, I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty eyeshadow, I don't know what this says. I guess it's just an all-over shadow brush. It's 240. And I just been using it lately and I like it. It's actually really nice. The way it just blends my eyeshadows and everything on the outer V, it's amazing. And I like it because it's flat and it's really good for if you have smoke, you know, not smoking. If it's good if you have hooded eyes, because it helps so much with the blending. Like, that's fast right there. I like that. This is beautiful. Wow, this is just, you know what? I'm all about dragons and everything like that. It's so cool that they made something like this, because this is just right up my alley. And that's I just love it because, one, I watch sometimes I like to watch dragon inspired movies, and I just love that kind of stuff. I'm a nerd. Okay, so I'm just gonna put a little bit more, darken up my outer V a little bit more with smoke, and wow, this is just a gorgeous palette. Okay, so I'm gonna use a blending brush, and let's see, I'm gonna blend everything out, the crease area, to make sure everything is just perfect and everything. I do apologize, guys. I am like not feeling so good tonight. If you don't hear me, I'm sorry. I think I'm coming down with a cold. And also the weather is changing up a little bit. I think during this time everyone gets sick. And I know the people at my work, some of them are sick. And that's could be the reason why. Alright. So, I wanted to do a little bit of, maybe try out this one called, I'm gonna try Magic. This shade right here. This is pretty. I think it would go well with this look. And it's glittery, but not, you know what I mean? It's glittery. So just to be on the safe side, I'm gonna like use my NYX Glitter Primer with my Sigma Cut Crease E62 brush. And these have been my go-to. I noticed that I've been using these a lot in my videos. And I really hope that Sigma brings this back, because I can't actually find this brush, and hopefully they bring it back sometime, because this makes things so fast. But you know, you could always use your concealer brush. It doesn't matter. Okay. And let's see how this blends and everything. Alright, so Magic. Whew. You guys, this is so pretty. Wow, okay. Woo! Look at that. My goodness. That is gorgeous, y'all. I mean, this just completes the look. Oh, man. Yep, I can already tell you this is what I'm gonna probably use this palette a lot. A lot. And if you guys have never heard of What's Up Beauty, come check them out. I'm pretty sure they got an Instagram and all that stuff, but I've been hearing about this. Well, I first heard about it on YouTube, and I just fell in love with it. And I can't remember who was the first influencer to do a look on this, but wow. Wow. I'm so glad that I found this palette, because man, I mean, I'm so glad that I know about this brand. But y'all, this is gorgeous. Okay, so let's see what's gonna go in the middle. Let's see this thing called, okay, I think I want to try Scales, because it just looks so gorgeous. Oh yes. Wow, you guys. Whew. Yep, this is it for me. I like this. Anything that has to do with this, with glitter and colors like that just pop, I love it. I mean, don't get me wrong, I love neutral eye looks, but I just love, like I said, when I named my YouTube channel, I knew that it just fits me. Chameleon, really. It's because I'm always creating something colorful, and a lot of times I'm intrigued by colors like this. And this is just my kind of palette. If you are really, really into, like, you know, this type of look, I highly recommend trying out this palette. You know, it's beautiful. And let's see, I'm gonna try out Spikes. It's like kind of a, looks like thistle, maybe just a light purple. And I'm gonna try a little bit on my crease area. And let's see, I have a feeling this is gonna be pigmented. Oh gosh, yes. Yes, it is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. What can I say? You know what? I'm going to try a little bit more. I want to try another one. You know what? If I could use all these shades on my eyes, I would, for real. Okay, Powerful. I'm going to try this darker purple thing right here called Powerful. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh. All right. This is gorgeous. Yes. Okay, so I'm going to blend just the crease a little bit. All right, so yes, that is gorgeous. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay, I will be right back, and I am going to do my eyeliner and as well as my lashes. I'll see you soon. Hello guys, I am back. I just did my eyeliner, my lashes, and everything. I just love this look. I love this palette. Yes. Wow. Wow. Okay, so I cannot wait to do the next tutorial. I'm going to actually feature their next palette. I'm not sure which one it is, but it'll be a surprise. But sorry if I've been feeling, if my voice sounds kind of bad, but I just think I'm coming down with a nasty cold. But hopefully it's not going to be that bad. But yes, that completes the look, y'all. If you like this tutorial, please like, subscribe, and ring the bell for notification. And thank you to all the subscribers, and also keep reaching for the stars and shine bright, baby. Thank you so much. Bye, guys.